On April 24th, Google finalized a multi-billion-dollar investment that ranks among the largest private capital injections in tech history. This commitment targets an organization outside of Google's own walls, effectively backing a competitor to their internal Gemini project. Silicon Valley typically operates on a model of internal consolidation. Generally, giants back their own products to capture as much market share as possible while ignoring or attempting to outpace rivals. The recipient of this capital is Anthropic, the team responsible for the Claude model family. This chart shows Anthropic's annualized revenue trajectory. In late 2023, they were at $9 million. Within 4 months, that run rate tripled to $30 million. Following this latest infusion of capital, the company carries an implied valuation of $18.4 billion. By funding Anthropic, Google is actively supporting the growth of a direct rival. It is a move that appears to contradict the standard playbook for platform dominance. To understand the logic behind the check, we have to look at the physical requirements of artificial intelligence. Progress in this field is gated by hardware. Developing advanced models requires a massive supply of specialized custom AI chips. These chips require immense data center capacity, physical space, and power grids capable of running thousands of units simultaneously. Google's current agreement involves an initial funding commitment, with the potential for further investment as the partnership develops. This builds on a relationship established in 2023, where Google secured a 14% stake in the company. The primary goal of this fresh capital is a major expansion of Anthropic's physical computing infrastructure. In this industry, the volume of compute power available acts as a hard limit on what a model can achieve. Owning the hardware is as important as writing the code. Google isn't the only giant at the table. Just days before their announcement, Amazon finalized its own multi-billion-dollar commitment to Anthropic. That deal includes options for Amazon to increase its investment in the future, further securing Anthropic's financial runway. This diagram shows Anthropic's unique position. They have successfully secured backing from 2 of the 3 largest cloud providers in the world at the same time. This provides Anthropic with significant leverage. They can now negotiate for server space and processing power across both ecosystems. Beyond the hardware, this dual relationship gives Anthropic a direct path to the massive enterprise customer bases that Google and Amazon already control. By maintaining its independence while taking money from both, Anthropic has turned the competition between cloud providers into a mechanism for its own expansion. This returns us to Google's motivations. Why spend billions on a competitor while trying to make Gemini the market leader? Strategically, this is a dual bet. Google is treating the investment as a way to manage risk rather than a simple product launch. They are operating on the assumption that the market will support multiple large-scale AI winners rather than a single dominant player. While the cost of the investment is high, the cost of being excluded from the next shift in computing would be significantly higher. In the coming months, Claude is expected to become more widely available across various cloud platforms as Anthropic ramps up its sales efforts. When the stakes involve the future of the entire industry, the most powerful players stop trying to pick one winner. Instead, they buy a stake in every possible outcome.